Welcome back to another vlog, and outside once again. You know, let's just go open the garage right here. And okay, so I decided not to ride this, but to ride this, my bike. I don't even know if you can see that, but okay. Safety first. So I just recently I made a new channel. Whoa, a bug. I made a new channel recently. I made a new channel recently with my friend, and we basically do challenges, play games together, and stuff like that. And I just decided to ride my bike today because it's not as loud, more calm, not as fast. Yeah, so I just needed to make a vlog today. I didn't need to, but I decided to make a vlog today. And yeah, I mean, I really, the first few vlogs will be kind of boring. I don't really have anything to do, so that's why I'm doing this vlog today. To the top of the hill. Here we are at the top of the hill. Try to get the best angle for you guys. Okay. Okay. So, yeah, I mean, here comes a car. That was a car. So, yeah, I mean, this is just a quick, not a quick little vlog, but this is most of what today's vlog has to offer. I didn't do a vlog yesterday. Whoa. I didn't do a vlog yesterday because I just couldn't. I did find a ladybug here. Not a ladybug. A caterpillar here yesterday. Or not yesterday, Thursday. You don't really see them around here that often. Oh! Went down the curb. Not curve. I can't speak today. So, yeah. I still didn't keep saying that. I still didn't keep talking about the channel that I did with me and that channel that I made with me and my friends. As I said, challenges, playing games with each other, and just have fun with that channel too. So I'll put the link to that channel in the description. Its name is Too Bright Co-op. Even though I'm not really, I am still Too Bright, but I'm not really anymore. But it's called Too Bright Co-op, which we do challenges, and play games together, basically, is what that channel is. And yeah. And I know you guys want to see me drop my iPod again. Okay, that was almost dropped. Hold on. Whoa. Oh crap. Okay. We're good. We're good. Camera's all good. Pulling the driveway, and we're good. So, yeah, I mean, my vlogs aren't the best, but they're vlogs. And yeah, I wonder the mailbox. Anything in the mail? Ugh. I wish I saw that caterpillar still because, no, nothing in the mail. And so I want to talk about the new channel, I guess. Is that, I mean, I want to talk about the new channel, and we just, I don't even, yeah, you can't see me. And what we made yesterday, we made a video, we didn't post it yet, but we made a video, the Chips Challenge. The Chips Challenge is basically, they give you different types of chips to try to guess what the chips are, I guess. And, which is good, I mean, which is fun. And we will be doing more challenges in the future. But yeah, I mean, it was fun. Oh gosh, we're thinking about doing a challenge where you have to draw on a whiteboard while you're blindfolded, and they tell you something to draw, and you have to try to draw it, and whoever is the best, I guess, would win. Which is what a challenge that we were going to do. Yeah. We didn't do that yesterday because we had like the same clothes on, and it would be weird, you know. But anyway, guys, you know, I don't even know how long this video has been going on. This clip has been going on for 4 minutes, but I'm still gonna cut a lot of that out. And so it's been about 10 minutes of recording, and let's just take a little joyride on this. So I want to tell you guys that this is not as fun as a hoverboard. If you do know what that is, if you don't know what that is. But yeah, it's not as fun as a hoverboard. It's just a scooter that goes by itself, I guess. That's what it is. Now I really want a hoverboard, but sadly I can't. I don't have enough money to buy one yet. I'm really close. I'm like $20 off, and yeah, I will eventually get one. I'm sure I will eventually get one. Eventually, guys. You guys enjoyed that little, oh crap, that little vlog. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next episode. Bye.